Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to set up Zelle with your Ally Bank account. If you're tired of waiting days for money transfers, Zelle is a game changer. It's fast, secure, and integrates seamlessly with Ally. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or sending cash to family, this setup will make your life easier. Let's get started step by step. First, ensure you have an active Ally Bank account. If you don't, head to the Ally website or app to sign up. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're all set, download or open the Ally mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure it's the latest version for the best experience. Step 1. Log in to your Ally app using your credentials. Once inside, look for the Transfers or Move Money section. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. Here, you should see an option for Zelle. If it's not visible, tap on Add External Accounts or search for Zelle directly. Step 2. Select the Zelle enrollment option. You'll be asked to verify your identity, so have your phone number or email ready, the one you want linked to Zelle. Ally will send a confirmation code, so enter it to proceed. Step 3. Link your Ally account to Zelle. This might involve selecting your debit card or checking account within the app. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. It only takes a minute. Step 4. Once linked, set up your contacts. Add friends or family by entering their phone numbers or emails. Zelle will check if they're already on the network, making future transfers a breeze. A quick tip. Always double-check recipient details to avoid errors, and use a secure Wi-Fi connection for safety. If you hit any snags, Ally's customer support is excellent. Just chat with them in the app. And there you go. You're now ready to send money instantly with Zelle and Ally Bank. This setup is a total win for hassle-free banking. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.